Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can create and access container in storage account using Azure portal. So let's move to Azure portal. As you can see, we are in Azure portal. Here in Azure services, click on storage accounts. Here we have one account, click on it. Now here in data storage, click on containers. Click on container. In name, type any meaningful name. In public access level, click on drop down menu and choose blog. Now click on create. As you can see, our container is created successfully. Now click on my test container and click on upload. In files, click on select a file. Here we have one demo file. Choose demo file and click on open. Now click on upload. Here you can see we have successfully uploaded the demo file. Click on demo file. Here in properties you can see the URL of our demo file. Click copy to clipboard and open up in new tab. Here you can see our demo file is showing up here. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.